So start off with, I've got, this is actually straight from lecture 2. We had this bivariate data. Sociologists theorise that people who watch television frequently are exposed to many commercials, which in turn leads them to buy, resulting in increasing debt. So we're looking at the relationship between the number of hours of television a household watches a week and the level of household debt. Okay, and so we had the data here, and what we did in lecture 2 was that we fitted the line, and it looked like this. So you all learned how to do that. You did that in your assignment for Module 2, as you were given data, and you fitted it, you put a line through, you had your equation here, and you learnt what the equation meant. So often the intercept doesn't mean anything, but the slope line meant something. So again, this is still from lecture 2-3. So it talks about, we fitted this line of best fit. And what it means by best fit is it's minimising the squared distances of each of those dots from the line. See, we could have fitted a line there, say, but then the distances of all of these from the line would be very great. So what it does is it finds what is the line that goes through that if you take all of the distances from those dots to the line and square them and add them up, which line out of sort of rotated and straight and stuff will give the best fit. And that's what fitting a line does. And if you did this in Year 13 for NCEA Level 3, you'll find what you did was fit a line. They called it regression, but it wasn't actually regression because you never got as far as the inference. Okay, so we found the slope, and then we talked about interpreting the slope, and what we said was that for this sample, each additional hour of television is associated with an additional $2,581.80 in debt. Now that was interpreting for this sample, and then we talked about the intercept, and we said it looked as if this was the case, and it says, however, we need to test the statistical significance of the result before we can generalise to a larger population. So that's what we're going to do now.